Ayan, Blessed Sunday. Ito po yung in-order nating food from Mang Inasal. Ayan, may extra rice tayo. How much? 6 dirhams yan. Bali, naka-discount tayo. So, 4 dirhams na lang. And then, ito yung chicken. And then, may lumpia sila rice. May po silang free na soup. And then, ang palabok, the iced tea and ice cream. Nagmelt na po yung ice cream. Kasi, malayo to eh. So, ayan siya. Let's eat, guys. At gutom na po si ako. Ayan. Mega loud shout out, Mang Inasal. Baka naman. Let's eat, everyone. Have a great day. Thank you, Lord, for the food. Thank you sa sponsor ko. Mega loud shout out sa aking kapatid, Jassy Mendoza. Thank you. Love you.